Hello, welcome to this demonstration. In this demonstration, we shall be dealing with how to bill and receive payment in SQL-Ledger. Buying and selling is a normal thing in business environments. Billing a customer is any kind of business event where a business collects money from a customer for goods or services which are provided. When a business makes a sale or provides a service, it wants money for it. When the goods are eventually sold, an invoice is usually issued and a receipt is issued when payment is received. Let's see how this is done in SQL-Ledger. Let's go to the software. Now, let's go to account receivable, sales invoice. This is the interface of the invoice, how it looks. A customer has been selected. In manual accounting system, you have to write receipts with paper. A computerized system, this is provided, the form is provided, the names of the customer or their details are already in the database. So this is what it looks. The invoice number is here. If you click on the new number here, the software will give you the number, the invoice number, and you need a description here which you can use, sell or fit. You put a description of what you are selling. You put the item that is being sold. This is a starter fit, and this shows here, this one is for our own consumption. The OH here, which is the on hand quantity, is for our own consumption. The quantity that the customer is going to buy, let's say I'm going to buy 10, and once we update, we click on update, this is what we are going to see. The total has been generated. In most business environments, this is done, the invoice and the receipts are almost simultaneously when cash is received at the same time. So if you are going to receive cash in this demonstration, what we do is to go down here and we select the same date. Let the date be 3rd, and we come down here and also click on 3rd, and the source, we put cash. Now, what is the amount? The amount here is 40,000. So which account are we receiving it into? Let's assume this is going to be received into our checking account. All we need to do now is to update, and this is what the invoice is going to look like. We can preview it by clicking on print, and this is what we see. You can see the amount here is an invoice where it has been quickly turned into a receipt with the amount here that has been paid, and showing a nil balance here. The information is here, payment due by this date, and so on. So in an invoice, you will have terms and conditions, but in the digital world, we do not go ahead and waste time by billing when the money could be received automatically. So the thing is done at the same time, and this is what it looks like. So this is billing and receiving at the same time. So if we post this item here, we could click on post, and that item has been sold, and that is a bill. We could have let's go ahead and let me go back to that transaction again. Sorry, there's nothing that is left here. Let me also go and click on and go to this transaction again. What would have done actually, if we have wanted, we'll print this receipt or this invoice, in PDF and send to or give it to the customer. This is how it looks. The total and the amount paid for the goods, the name of the customer. In the IT world, this is very important. Thanks for your attention. I will see you in the next video.